video tutorial, I am going to cover handling a pop-up. So, with respect to Selenium, we can categorize the pop-up into the following types. We have alert and confirmation pop-up, file upload and file download, child browser and window pop-up, and hidden division pop-up. So in Selenium, pop-ups are classified into these are the types. Now alert pop-up and confirmation pop-up. So today in this video I am going to cover the alert and confirmation pop-up. To handle the alert pop-up, we go for alert interface. Let me go to the uh, HTML script. So I have written the HTML script for how we are understand the alert pop-up. So this is a HTML tag, and then we are given the body tag, and then H2 I am just given the Selenium alert for that name. Just I am creating the one function call over here. Now just I am executing this code as a .html extension. Let me I had shared this file into over here. This is our HTML source code. Let me go to open with a source file, and then opening with a Google Chrome. Now this is our Selenium script for alert pop-up. Let me right click on it, and before that I will just click on the try it option. This is for the called as pop-up alert and confirmation pop-up. Now what are the characteristics of alert pop-up means? Here we cannot inspect the pop-up. If I am right clicking on it, so the right clicking is not happening because we cannot inspect the this pop-up alert pop-up. Now if I want to move this one, so this is also is not happening. So and we cannot move the pop-up here. Now, to perform the action and alert pop-up, first we need to switch the control from page alert pop-up by using the driver dot switch to dot alert. That means I have a this is a main page and this is a alert pop-up. So to switch from main page to this pop-up, we have to use the syntax called as driver dot switch to dot alert. So to clicking on the OK button, so we use the accept method in Selenium code. Now to clicking on the one more. So if you found when we are try it options, sometimes the alert pop-up will be we have two buttons. One is OK or cancel button. So to clicking on the cancel buttons, we use dismiss method. Okay, so in our script I have covered for only OK button. So this is the when we are accepting this uh, in Selenium we have a method called as accept and dismiss method. Whenever if you are using for a going for a cancel button, so then that time you are going to use for so dismiss method. To get the message alert pop up, we use the get text. Suppose if I want to show this I am an alert box. This if I want to use this want to show this print the in our message, so I have to use the text called as get text method. So here I am going to show you to write a script to handle the alert pop up by using a alert interface method. So let me go to the okay. Let me go to the Eclipse. So I will be here already had created the project. Let me I will be going to create the class of this one Selenium alert. So I am just taking public static admin and click on finish. Here I am going to remove unwanted comment. This is not required. So this script I had already written, just I am copying this script. I'm just adding into over here. I'm taking interrupted exception. So I'm just giving this URL of that. So in our code, what I did is a system.setProperty method I used. So here I have given Chrome driver path and key and a value pair where that driver exe file is located. That file I have given over here, and then I'm here I am using the maximizing the browser window, and then I'm giving the implicit weight. So then also I am giving the driver.get the URL, whatever I am using the script, written the script, that this thing I am given. Next to a driver dot find element by dot path, I am just giving the X path of this. When try X path the button, so inspect the element. So I'm just taking the control X. I am giving the this path. So this is the path I am using. So here I have given the X path of that. In that button I am just using the method called as click method. So from switching the main page prompt to alert pop-up, I am using the syntax called as driver dot switch to dot alert method I am using. Then I am creating one variable, and then I am just using on that one. When you are pop-upping on that one, so you will get the this thing. Um, so import.org.openqselenium.alert. Okay, that is a importing statement. Now just I am printing the inside that pop-up, whatever the text is there, that one I have to display over here. I am giving the delay for that, and here I am going to click on OK. I will do, then I will be not going for dismiss method over here. Now I am just saving this script. Let me execute this script, run as, and go to the Java application. Now the Chrome was started successfully, and it is going to enter the URL in the browser in the field. Now it is going to click on the try it. So now that this alert we got, I am an alert box here. So now the code is successfully working fine. So I have got inside I am an alert box, that text got displayed. Suppose if you are using the whenever if we invoke the accept and dismiss method, then we will get a through a no alert present exception. So if you are using both the methods, accept and dismiss method, you will get the exception called as no alert present exception. So that's all in this videos. So in this video I had covered for alert pop-up. In the next video I am going to cover the hidden division pop-up. Okay, I am kindly requesting you to subscribe this channel. Soon I will be covering the lot more videos in the upcoming session. So thank you.